In this video, I'll demonstrate you how to calculate dollar returns or rupee returns in Microsoft Excel. Calculating a dollar return or a rupee return is very easy and simple in Microsoft Excel. Your dollar return equals to dividend amount received plus selling price or ending price minus beginning price or purchase price. In equation format, this is return, that is current return, equals to dividend amount received during the year plus current price or selling price minus beginning price or a previous price. This equation we use to calculate the dollar return. Now in Excel, what is that you need to do is first name one cell as a particulars and name another cell as amount. So in a particulars column, name one cell as a dividend, that is a dividend amount that you received. Then second cell as a ending price or a selling price, and third cell as beginning price or a purchase price. Then finally name one cell as dollar return. Now in a dividend amount, you enter the dividend amount that you received from your investment in share. Suppose you received a dividend of rupees on a particular share. So you write a 5 rupees here. And then your ending price or the selling price of this stock, currently the stock is trading at, let us say, 105. And then your beginning price or purchase price of this stock is 98. Then your dollar return, or that is to calculate a dollar return, here opposite to dollar return, first insert the equal to sign. When you enter equal to sign in Excel, you are instructing Excel to perform certain calculation. So after entering equals to sign, select the cell where your dividend amount is there. So here is your dividend amount. Then this plus select the cell where your selling price is there. Here is your selling price. Then this minus your purchase price or the beginning price. Select this cell. Then click the enter key on your keyboard. So you got the dollar return. A dollar return is a common terminology used to denote a currency return. So if you are in India, then this dollar return is your rupee return. That means on this investment you earn rupees 12.